Today I'm going to do a little upgrade. I'm going to replace these lights with these. Are they good lights? I don't freaking know.
I know the signs, and I know the signs, and I try to wake away, and I try to fade away.
It's so bright out here, I can't see anything. Alright, I got the light out. Holy cow, I'm losing my voice. Let's try that again. I got the light out. Now I gotta figure out how these things go in. Looks like it comes with this, comes with this extra extension piece. I'm not sure, I don't think I need to use that. I'll find out. By the way, today is a holiday. It's, what's that holiday where the bunny comes into your house and hides a bunch of 8 balls and rubber balloons? I don't know, bro. We had different childhoods, I guess. Easter. It's Easter. God, I don't know why I couldn't figure that out. I just, don't really do holidays, I guess. I think this just goes over the original, or the old one, the new one. This isn't old, I just bought it. I think, maybe? I don't know. I don't ever know what the hell I'm doing. Well, I can tell I'm special. These rings do not fit on this very well. This is why I never make YouTube videos. I just freaking suck at everything. On today's YouTube episode, Gerby just still sucks at everything. There, I got the freaking thing in. Oh my Lanta. Figured I'd make some kind of a video because it's been months and months since I've made one. Okay. You don't have to be upset with me, stupid bird. What's that? I can't hear you over the f***ing bird.
I got the boys. Shut up, you're not in this conversation. But I got the boys little outfit, shirt and shorts, and socks for their baskets.
That's nice.
Must be a blue jay.
I know, they're annoying.
They never can mind their own business.
They never shut up.
No, they don't. They sound like a bitchy woman.
Yeah, you're right. Women are bitchy. Sorry.
Well, it doesn't offend me.
I hope it doesn't offend you because I don't change my opinion.
What have I always told you? Women are bitches. So, we are. I own it.
Always ruining things for us men.
Huh?
Said always ruining things for us men.
Well, now, I wouldn't go that far. Not with me.
Well, I went that far.
No. I make your life better.
Do ya?
Yes.
How so?
I love you.
Because you love me? Well, I'll tell you what. You're the only woman that loves me.
A lot of women love you.
Okay, well, don't make me sound like a slut.
Noisy out there.
It's always noisy out here. Anytime I come out here to work on anything, it's like a zoo.
I know it.
That's my mom. She was nice enough to let me move back to town when my life fell apart. She's pretty cool. I got one in. It's a pretty big difference in appearance anyways. Let's get this one in now. I'm almost done with this light, but I have now dropped 2 screws down here in the gravel. And if you've ever worked on gravel, you know that once you get screwed in the gravel, it's a backbreaker. Well, besides the Jeep needing washed super bad, doesn't look too bad. I don't know how well they work. I'll find out when it's dark, I guess. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of these hideous square pods for some round KC highlights. But sadly, I'm gonna have to wait for, what am I saying? Sadly, I'm gonna have to, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. What am I doing? Oh, the lights. Oh, that last clip I filmed was like an hour ago, so I'm trying to remember what I said last. So that's gonna have to wait until, oh my god, I can't do this right now. And action! But that's gonna have to wait until another video, or, god, and action. But that's gonna have to wait until another time because I have family stuff I have to go do today. Happy Easter, everybody.
I know the signs, and I know the signs, and I try to fake away, and I try to fade away, and I know the signs, and I know the signs, and I try